Radar Python Advanced Project 7 is all about creating an Amazon product checker, availability checker. So for that purpose, we need to install a few libraries. We will again go into the terminal. And inside this terminal, you need to install pip install LXML. All right. And another library is called schedule. These two libraries, just click hit enter and you will be able to install them. Now you need to write from LXML, import HTML, import requests, from time, import sleep, import time, import schedule, import smtplib. Now email ID for who want to check availability. Now receiver email ID equals email ID to user. Now let's define check URL and headers equals this. That's right. User agent and Mozilla 5.0 X11 Linux x86 64 Apple WebKit 537.36 KHTML like Gecko from 42.0 like this. Now let's adding headers to show. Okay, wait. Gecko HTML. Where do we close this Mozilla? U 2311.90 Safari 537.36 and now close this. And yeah, now we're gonna adding headers like this. All right. Now we gotta add headers to show that you are a browser who is sending GET request and yeah, now let's say page equals request dot u dot get URL headers equals headers, and for I in range 20 because continuous checks in milliseconds or few seconds, blocks your request. Sleep 3. All right. So, yeah. And now, all right. So this brackets, I see there are these red lines coming. So this bracket, we have to close it over here and not below. So now we can see there is no error. There still is. This is an indentation error. It is giving us an indentation error. Let's wait. Here. Now, if I write page request dot get URL headers equals headers for I in range 20, and now write sleep 3 seconds. All right, and let's delete this all. And yeah, now it's fine. Now the error is removed. I have just removed the comments over here. All right. And yes, sleep 3. Now let's create another define check URL. Parsing the HTML content doc equals HTML dot from string page dot content. Now let's say XPath availability equals dev at the rate ID equals availability text like this. Raw availability equal dog.xpath and xpath availability, and availability equals dot join raw availability dot strip if raw availability else none, return availability like this. Now let's say define send email answer product and Gmail username equals, you can write your email address here. I'm not gonna write it down obviously uh because of privacy reasons. So your password, you're gonna write them down here. Now recipient equals receiver underscore email ID, body of email equals ans, email subject equals product plus product availability, and creates SMTP session s equals smtplib dot smtp and smtp.gmail.com 587. Now start TLS for security. S dot start TLS. All right. And we need to define send email on product authentication s dot login Gmail username Gmail password message to be sent headers equals r and dot join from plus Gmail username subject plus email subject to plus recipient mime version 1.0 content type text HTML. All right. Content equals headers plus R R N plus body of email s dot send mail Gmail username Gmail username recipient content s dot quit define read as in equals B0 B0 777 PWK 5PT URL. You can put any Amazon link URL here. Let me put mine and let's paste this link here. I have taken this Amazon products link. All right, now print processing and plus URL answer equals check URL. All right. Now array equals only one left in stock. Left in stock. Only two left in stock. Or in stock. All right. Write this. Now print answer, and if I ans in array, send email, ans adds in, and yes. Now define job, print tracking. Now read as in, and schedule dot every schedule dot every 1 minutes dot to job, while true schedule dot run pending time dot sleep and 1. Now save it, project, let's save Amazon project.py, and now let us run it and see if it works. Okay, so we are waiting. Let's see. Right, so this is giving us a few errors. We need to have a look at these errors. So on line 73, it is saying read as in job. There is this error. Line 61, we have this answer check URL, and in line 21, we have this doc dot from string page dot content. There is this error. We need to have a look at these errors. That what are these errors? All right, so the error that we have had was this, like I added this 2 times. It was supposed to not be added here, and just save it. And now if I go onto the terminal, I ran it already. It started working fine like this. It's now processing and checking if there are any in stock. So it's saying none right now. All right, so this is how it's gonna check the availability. And this is it about today's project. See you guys with another project, with another video, and then again in the next video.